going to talk about behavioral evidence analysis. However, the first thing we're going to discuss is mostly related to behavioral evidence. Behavioral evidence could be physical in nature or even testimonial evidence that helps us to guide or establish how, when, or where some sort of action has taken place. For example, injuries. Injuries can help us to understand who is present, if there's any weapons that have been used, or even the amount of force that was applied, and possibly even the intent behind the crime. Whereas other things like maybe fingerprints. Fingerprints can tell us a lot about who was there, what kind of contact the individual had while using an object, or maybe even the fact that they had the object in their possession. We could talk about things like bloodstains, where bloodstains can help us to understand as if there was injury or if there was any movement of a body perhaps. It also can tell us the direction in which something was taken or who was present during the scene of a crime or if there was any injury that was even there. We could also talk about toxicology. Toxicology can help us to understand if there was the presence of alcohol, medication, other types of toxins or drugs in the victim, or even inside the offender's systems. If they have those kinds of things within their system, it can tell us a lot about the state of mind that an individual was in. You see, the judgment can be influenced, so can the cognition on how something might perhaps influence someone's behavior and even their thought process. We could talk about footprints. Footprints, those kinds of things can help us indicate whether there was a presence of a certain individual or any type of individual or individuals that was present during the scene of a crime. It can tell us if the individual was walking, running, standing, or what direction they were possibly even moving in. It can also tell us a lot about the scene of a crime as well. BEA is referred to as an Ideo-Deductive Method with crime scene analysis and criminal profiling. Because of this reason, it takes into effect all of the examination and interpretation of different types of physical evidence, forensic victimology, and the crime scene characteristics to help paint a bigger picture of what actually happened.